Hi, and welcome to the backtesting tutorial for FX Edge. We're going to walk through how to set up and use the strategy testing facility that's given by MetaTrader 4 for our FX Edge strategies. The very first thing that we will do is that we will download uh, data points so we can have the highest accuracy for our strategy tester. We can do this of one of two ways. We can tap on F2, or we can go to the top of our screen to Tools, History Center. Okay, there you'll find a icon under FXDD MetaTraders for Forex. You'll tap on that. You'll go to the currency pair of your choosing. For our purposes, it will be the pound dollar. You will tap on that, and you will tap on 1 minute data. When 1 minute is highlighted, you will tap on download. The reason that we use 1 minute data is because it will give us the highest accuracy results for our strategy tester. Now, this may take a longer time period for most of you, as it will be your first time downloading data. It will be well worth the wait. After it's done the download, you will hit close. The next thing that we will do is that we'll bring up our strategy tester. Now you can do that by either pressing Control R, as I've done here, or you can go to the top of your screen where you'll see this icon with a magnifying glass and apparently a terminal behind it, or a piece of paper behind it, and you will tap on that. At the bottom of your screen, you will have the terminal for the strategy tester. What we'll do is that we'll go to Expert Advisors. Okay, we will choose the strategy that we will be testing. For our purposes, it will be the SSV2 pound dollar. We will choose the accompanying symbol, which would be, of course, pound dollar symbol. Now, under model, we want to choose every tick, as that will give us the highest accuracy results that MetaTrader can provide. We will also then go to use date, and if it is not checked, we will check it, and we will choose the time period that best suits our needs. For our purposes, will be 2008 until present. So that will be, you'll just tap on the arrow here and then tap on today and then close that. You will choose the period which correlates with your strategy. For our strategy here, it will be the daily chart. Unclick optimization if it is checked. You will go to expert properties. At expert properties, you will be concerned with the first two tabs, testing and inputs. Under testing, you will have the opportunity to choose whatever hypothetical deposit you'd like to use. Here we've got 50,000 chosen. You can choose any amount that you'd like, or you could merely input whatever quantity that you'd like. 50,000 suits our needs just fine. And the currency pair that it's denominated in. Positions should be both long and short. Then we'll go to inputs. There you'll find the default settings for our variables for our strategy. We will only be concerned with percent risked, where we will change the percentage according to our risk appetite. 5% is what we will use here, as it is a swing trading strategy, and then we will hit OK. After we've done all of this, we will hit Start at the bottom right hand corner of our screen. Now, what's interesting here is that you'll notice a green bar running across. That is the download of our 1 minute data into the strategy tester. You will see below it 5 tabs, of which 4 we will be concerned with. If we go to results, what we will see is a running tally of all of the trades that are taken and all of their details. The time that they were opened, the size of the trade, the price that it was opened at, stop loss, take profit if there was one. Also, if there was a modification or a close, it will show us that information as well. If we go to our graph, what we will see is both a blue line, which is our balance line, and also a green line, which would show us our equity. Now, the difference obviously is that the equity shows us our open positions as well and their values. What's interesting about the strategy tester is that it allows you the opportunity to run your cursor across the balance curve, where you'll be able to see what trade was taken. You'll see the time period. You'll be able to see the time period. You'll be able to see what trade was taken. You'll be able to see the balance and the equity, and of course the lot size of that particular position. Now, whenever the process is done, when the strategy tester has run its course for that time period, for that strategy, you'll hear a squeaking sound. You will know that the strategy tester is finished. When it is finished, we will tap on the report tab. Here we see our report tab, which gives us an analysis of the strategy based on certain criteria. The most important thing to look for here first, of course, is the modeling quality. We're hoping to see 90% modeling quality here. If you do not see 90% modeling quality, then you will go back and redo our download of our information, our data from the History Center. If you do see 90% modeling quality, that means that that MetaTrader has given you the highest accuracy that it is capable of yielding for our results. You will also see initial deposit 50,000, total net profit, profit factor, a myriad of tools that you can use for analysis of the strategy. What's interesting about this as well is that you can right click on the report and you can tap on Save as a Report. Now this is great because it gives us the opportunity to use our report to print out a hard copy of this report for future analysis. Here I'm going to name it SSV2 underscore GBP USD, where it will be saved to the desktop as a HTML file. Now it should produce a report in Internet Explorer. Similar to this. And that report will give us all of the analytical tools that we'd like, such as total net profit, profit factor, drawdowns, percentage of drawdowns, etc., largest profitable trade, etc., etc. It will also give us a tally of all of the trades that were taken during that time period. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our FX Edge backtesting video tutorial. Thank you.